I used to never wear foundation. This foundation is what changed the game for me. Hey everyone, I'm Carrie, aka Glaminista08 here online, and today I'm going to be talking about one of the most magical products I've ever tried in my entire duration of putting beauty products on my face. We're going to be talking about the Fenty Beauty foundation that you guys can get right here from eCosmetic. This foundation is a game changer. Little story time before I get into this product. When this product came out, I still worked in like beauty retail and the stores were flooded, okay? I had worked the longest shifts of my life trying this on because it was so amazing to finally have a brand that has so many shades, super inclusive and diverse, authentically. But up until that point, I hadn't worn foundation on my face because I was so terrified of it clogging my pores. Don't assume though, it wasn't because my skin was perfect, because I have really uneven skin. I try to take care of my skin texture, which I think I've gotten down pat, but I have never had an even complexion. So foundation was something that I was interested in, but just too scared to try. But when this came out, I definitely needed to try it, especially because we were selling it all the time. And let me tell you, this is what made me no longer afraid of foundation. This foundation is a soft matte foundation, which means that it gives you a nice natural matte finish, keeps you from getting oily or shiny throughout the day, but it's not drying out your skin. Additionally, this stuff comes in so many shades, so you can definitely find yours, but it just blends so easily and you do not feel like you have anything on your face. It doesn't smell heavy. It's just like, if I were to create a foundation, this would be it. So this is really easy to get a very flawless complexion for 2022. It's so simple, you guys. I just pump it on the back of my hand. You really only need one pump. Sometimes if I'm feeling really glam, I'll do two. And then I just dot this on my face, and then I go in with a foundation brush to blend it out. The cool thing about this as well is that a lot of people use beauty blenders, myself included, because you want to avoid streaking, but even using a brush, like, there was no worries about me streaking. This blends so naturally. It doesn't look like I have foundation on my face. It just looks like I have really good skin. And again, you can't go wrong with a shade range like this one. Rihanna really did her thing here, and you guys can get this from eCosmetics. I really honestly recommend it. It's one of my favorite products I've ever used, and that's all I have to say about that. If you want a flawless complexion for the new year, you can't go wrong with this.